Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I will show you how to import a CSV file from Xsens into Matlab. So I have just completed the recording using our Xsens app, and now I'm going to access the data by connecting the phone through USB cable to my PC. So click on Phone, Android. If you do not see any file in here, check your permissions or enable debugging mode in your Android phone. Data, scroll to the bottom, you should be able to find this, which is the folder relative to the Xsens app. Double click in here, Files, Logs, and here you'll be able to find your recording. So I'm going to take the latest one and copy the files in a separate folder. So copy, and we'll copy those here. Now that our files are ready, let's open Matlab. So, since CSV is a very common format, the Matlab has plenty of functions that will allow you to import a CSV file. So I'm going to show you only two ways, which in my opinion are the simplest and the most effective. So the functions read table and the function import data. So let's store this to variables. Sensor, let's call it sensor1 and sensor2. Read table will simply store the CSV file as a table. So this is how the file looks like. So what we need is just to copy paste the directory or the folder, which for me is this one plus this one here, and we're going to do it at the bottom here as well, // and this is ready to go. Whereas this one instead, it will import the whole CSV file, including the headers. So to make it work, we copy paste this one as well here. And a very simple way to make it work is to include a delimiter, which for us it's comma. And now we will need to add the number of rows that we want to skip in our CSV file. So for us it will be these. So we'll go on and type 12. Now we're pretty much ready to go. So we can just click on Run and let it run. Once it's ready, we have two variables here. So the first one would be sensor1 with which is a simple table with headers, and sensor2 instead will be a struct where we will find our data here, and the other two variables instead will contain information about our headers, text data and call headers. So I hope this was helpful.